In this puzzle, we need to collect all the 4 gems on all 4 sides. If you look carefully, there is a gem in the second position of each 4 sides, and then there are 3 tiles after it. That sounds like a repeating pattern that we can use. Okay, let's use our new superpower, for loops, to solve this puzzle. The repeating pattern has already been coded down for us. So, she needs to move forward, needs to collect the gem, needs to move forward, move forward, move forward, then she needs to turn right. Now, we need to just put the repeating pattern into a for loop and then we're done. So let's add a for loop at the top. Let's add write 4, and there are 4 sides, so let's write 4. Great. And now in the code section, we'll just delete that. Now we need to tap on the last curly brace, hold it there, then drag it down to the end of all of your code. And now all of our commands are inside of the for loop. Let's take a look at what actually happens when you put some code inside the for loop. The first time that the iPad gets to the for loop, it sets the index to 1 because we have written 1.4. Then it goes through all the commands in the for loop, and then after it does the last command of the for loop, turn right, it goes all the way to the top of the for loop. Now the iPad sets the index to 2 and it checks if it's still inside 1 to 4, and 2 is still inside the 1 to 4, so it goes back inside of the loop and runs all the commands. Okay, the story repeats again. Back to the start of the loop, the index is set to 3 and it's still inside of 1 to 4, so it goes back down, runs all the commands, and it comes back to the stop, and that happens for 4. And when it gets to 5, it's not in 1 to 4 anymore, so it jumps out of the loop, there's nothing more to do, and it stops. The youth. That was a little complicated, but it is important to learn how loops work. And this last turn right is very important because that turn right lets byte turn around ready for the next loop. And now let's run our code. Excellent work! Now you know how to add loop structures to your code. You'll need this skill in the next puzzle. If you want to know when my next video comes out, it's easy, just subscribe. And as always, I am so happy that you're coding with me. Bye for now!